I just did Rob Ferretti's adventure drives. To say the least, it was a blast. Now, you're gonna see some of those videos here shortly, but I wanted to share this now. Before leaving Arizona, where the rally ended, I went to visit Jack Ultramotive, someone I met while doing Gold Rush back in 2022. He recently moved here, so I figured it would be worthwhile to catch up, see his new house, and of course, his cars.
Oh, yeah.
And along the way, I got to be the first person he ever let drive his LP640.
Hopefully I don't come back with a burnt clutch or a totaled car. Wouldn't be the first time that car's been totaled.
With that, let's get into it.
And in a shocking turn of events, I ended up at the Ultramotive house. This is Jack's new place, and Jack would be here right now, but he's actually on his way because he just got in from a flight. This was very last minute. I still have a flight I need to take out of Phoenix. It's a red-eye back home. So we're gonna have some fun for the couple hours that I'm still here, but I figured it would be kind of cool to document the Ultramotive experience and just see what Jack's up to. I mean, the last time I saw Jack, it was in Seattle, like last year at his old place. So he got a new place, it's obviously very beautiful, and I'm gonna take you guys along for the ride. So here we go.
Here's the spread.
Oh, Lord, dude. Hello, gorgeous.
Big boy. Dude, so much has changed since the last time I've seen you.
Yeah, man. Oh, hello. I remember. Oh, you got another one.
So I like cats a lot, and when I originally hung out with Jack, he had one cat. So when I found out he now had 3, I was very excited. I know this isn't car related, so just bear with me for a sec here.
Yeah, you want to smell that? Come here. Yes. What are their names now?
This is Zeus. So almighty, and he's the one boy in here, although he's the biggest goof. Shady's about to use the toilet over there. And then this is Zilla.
I remember Zilla.
Yeah, I named her after Godzilla.
Yeah.
But she's like a little princess, like you know, she'll be nice up front.
Absolutely you up.
Yeah. And then
The main thing we're gonna talk about here is Jack's LP640. Now, when I saw Jack about a year ago, he was talking about getting one of these. Prices were still insane back then, but he was able to get into this one for a really good price because of its less than clean history.
So what's the story behind this car? Has that been public? Have you talked about
Oh,
that?
yeah.
So what's the story on this car?
And I don't mean to blue ball you, but there is one other thing I have to show you before we go any farther.
Look, I know you want to get in better shape. Whether it's building muscle or burning fat, figuring out where to start these days is damn near impossible because of social media. Which is why I created my own one-on-one fitness coaching service called Train by Jimbo, where I work with you one-on-one to build muscle, burn fat, get in the best shape of your life within 90 to 180 days without giving up your favorite foods or spending over 5 hours in the gym. I'm going to help you with your nutrition. I'm going to get you a workout plan that's easy for you to follow and still gets results. I'm going to be there for any questions you're going to have, and I'm going to hold you accountable so your ass actually does it. And just for those of you folks who see this video, I'm offering my services for 50% off, both my 3-month and my 6-month transformation. All you got to do is mention this video, book a call with me, the link's in the description below, and we can get you in the best shape you've ever been in.
All right, back to the Mercy.
the story on this car is actually probably come over here.
Okay.
All of this wasn't here at one point.
Oh.
So it had like full front end just wiped off.
Yeah.
And the only evidence of that still remains because the what do you call it? The repair was so good is actually this little hairline crack in the front windshield.
But you can just get another windshield if you really wanted to.
If you really wanted to, you don't really want to from that. Yeah, that's so tiny and it's not growing, you know, that's always been there. So yeah, because this is.
But that's it? Everything else was flawlessly repaired on this?
Yeah, and so what they did was a shop in Toronto, they basically took a same orange 640 Roadster.
Right.
And just
put the front end on it?
Yeah, surgery, literally like freaking just like, yeah, put the front end on it. I still don't know to this day if it was repainted because it was Orancio Atlas, exact same orange. So they could have literally just bolted it right up.
So how many miles are on this car?
So there's only like, I'm just about to cross into 19,000 miles.
Wow. And has like the clutch been done? Any like major
Yeah, the
services
clutch
been done?
last time we checked was at like 90%.
Oh,
meaning
you're
like,
fine.
Like good 90%.
Yeah.
Like, you know, at the, and yeah, just like, and then it's got a catless IP exhaust.
Oh, that's great.
Already in there. And so yeah, for everything for what it is truly a treat. And as I watched the prices of the clean ones with better history, just absolutely skyrocket.
Oh yeah.
Like it's good for the fact that like I think this car can only trail so far behind.
Mm-hmm.
But it's also like if something were to happen to this car, I don't think I'll be in a position to ever get back into a Murcielago.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Oh, it's been so long since I've heard anything like that. It's been so long since I've heard a Mercy start. Oh my God. Oh man.
Come on in.
Alrighty. Here we go. Oh boy. It's been so long since I've been in one of these.
Right?
Oh yeah, these big giant doors.
Right?
You're squeezed too?
Yeah. I also just did this. I don't know if you saw, but I already just reached for the wrong side.
Absolutely. If you ever find yourself in a Murcielago, you will reach for the seatbelt in the wrong way.
Yeah.
It's here. It's here. Oh yeah, let's see that AC.
It works.
Ah. Oh yeah, nice and cool. Got a backup camera. Oh yeah.
Right?
I forgot the LP640s have a backup light, the backup noise like a truck.
Oh yeah.
I forgot. I'm laughing at how many things are similar on your car to my old Mercy. This thing rattled like hell too.
Yeah.
You get to a certain RPM and
like
that would
even
rattle.
the little things, yeah. Well, so the funny thing is that like some cars, they just make them for a really long time and they don't change that much. And this is like, it's funny because yeah, this is one of the last year Murcielagos, and you had, well, what year was yours?
04.
04. So yours wasn't like the first, because 02 I think.
Yeah,
like,
02 was the first.
but they never really, like on the interior, they never really changed much between the pre-LP and the LP. So it's a little deceiving because this is what I mean when I said earlier that's like it feels old, is that on the inside, it's not really an 09 car. This is more actually like an 02 car. And,
it's
and yeah,
pretty bare
it kind of
bones.
shows, yeah.
Oh, the howl of the LP640. Oh. My buddy who wasn't able to make it here, my buddy Ransom, we talk about this all the time with these cars because he's trying to buy one as well.
Yeah.
The gated cars are cool. The gated cars are very cool.
Yeah.
But the only, like, if you really want the Mercy experience, you gotta get an Eager.
Yeah.
You gotta, like, because this is its own experience.
Yeah, exactly.
Eagers are their own experience. Like, gated cars can be similar, but nothing is that.
Yeah, and the way that when you get into a Corsa shift in this car. Yeah, there you go.
We drove around a little bit more, let the Murcielago stretch its legs, and then we came up on this tunnel where Jack decided he needed to hear the car from the outside.
Oh boy. So Jack is giving me the insane privilege to drive his LP640. And because I completely understand how good this car sounds, Jack is gonna film and I'll rip up and down here once or twice. So with that, I'm gonna hand the camera to Jack and well, you're gonna hear this thing scream. All right.
And for the sake of pure V12 symphony, let's turn the music off.
Oh my goodness!
Good Lord. Ladies and gentlemen, this is a first for me too. Like I have never been outside of my own LP640 before.
Oh my God! Oh my God, Jack, you've got an amazing car, man. Holy shit!
So, this is quite, I mean, this is quite a commitment I'm giving to Mr. Jimbo, but I really gotta trust his Murcielago experience with my car. Hopefully I don't come back with a burnt clutch or a totaled car, because wouldn't be the first time that car's been totaled.
Here we go. Yeah. It's so funny. It's so funny hearing that thing vibrate, because my car used to do the same thing back in the day. But I mean, you can't get much better than this. All right, Jack, you're about to hear your baby.
Oh.
That's what I'm talking about. Oh, but nothing compares to that. Nothing compares to that at all.
Yeah, camera cannot replicate how the F1 scream absolutely just fills your ear holes with just scream. Like, just absolute freaking, it's like ringing now.
Oh, and the engine braking. The engine braking on this car is so strong. One of the characteristics about Mercies is the engine braking is so strong on these things. So you can drive around and you don't even need to use the brakes coming up to a stoplight. You really don't. Because like you just downshift and it'll get to where you want it to be. Oh yeah.
Nothing has as much road presence as a Murcielago, I swear.
Oh wow. Put the brake up. Jack!
He is Batman.
You have such a good car. You have such a good car. Oh my goodness.
Dude, it actually hurts my ears. I guess you want me? I'll go up and down one more time for you.
Oh yeah.
You can get the full experience.
Oh my god, dude.
I cannot believe I sold that car. I cannot believe I sold my car. Why did I sell my car? Oh, God. There's no car that sounds that good. I don't care what anybody says. There's no car that sounds that good, that beefy when you fly by. Oh, yeah. Yeah.
Oh my god. Oh. These cars are amazing. Oh, here he comes now, look. It's nice and quiet here in Arizona. And slowly but surely, the Murcielago approaches. Oh, just look at that thing. Oh. Oh. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, Mr. Ultramotive, you've got a good car, sir. You've got a great car.
Dude. It actually hurts your ears for that split second it's in here. And it's the best pain I've ever felt.
Yeah, I'll be honest with you, when I came through here, because you know, the older Mercies, they don't rev this high.
Oh.
So when I
when
I was letting it go, I was like, okay, we're gonna hit red light now, right? And I was like, oh no, we still got a little way to go. And like listening to that symphony, I was like, oh my god.
Yeah.
Like
That guy's just been chilling there watching.
yeah. Very good car. And I love that clock because of, that clock will never be right.
Oh,
because
no.
of the kill switch. And even better, my favorite, because my car did the same thing.
Yeah.
Yes, it is the year 2000.
Yeah.
2000.
Yeah, what year were you in?
Usually it was 2000, 2001. Jack, can you get
Good
into
old-
your development?
Yeah. This is the worst car to have to deal with this.
After we got back, Jack showed me the 2 other cars he had in his garage. We also talked about YouTube stuff for a bit, and eventually it was time for us to take a thumbnail photo.
It's recording. Do you want me to like?
Yeah, I'll take a screenshot.
Okay.
I'm sure that's good.
No, I'm so used to it, dude. You don't even have to feel embarrassed.
And after that, it was time for the Mercy to go back in the garage and for me to catch my flight home. Thank you very much for letting me drive your car, Jack. I look forward to bringing mine by one day, sometime soon. And seriously, man, never sell that car.